What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do Charlie in our bedroom because we heard noises last night in it. So we shall lock. Okay, Charlie, are you here?
Yeah. I'm not already, bud.
Charlie, are you here?
Charlie's no, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make it right again.
Charlie's, oh yeah. Oh. He's here because he tried that thing.
Charlie, are you here? She said yes. Okay, guys.
Do you have?
Subscribe if you think we must still go on. Okay, Charlie, do you have a family? Okay, she said yes. Okay,
She
guys.
has a family.
We must also do we must stay here with her? Yes or no? Okay, it did go on now. So let's go, guys. Thank you for watching this video.
Some video fun. Charlie, are you here?
Okay.
Subscribe and comment.
If you want to see more of these videos, just comment and say yes, sir. Yes.